this is Saaum and welcome to putting Cambodian food on the map. Here's why. Growing up in America, I made so many friends along the way. And every time we would get close, they would ask me, so what does Cambodian food taste like? What is Cambodian food? Well, I'm here to tell you. Today I would like to introduce you to a dish, the mango salad, which is our specialty, and here's why. Growing up in Cambodia, when we used to live in the village, mangoes grew everywhere. Front yard, backyard, side yard, you name it. And we used to pick them and eat them as fruits. But the way that Cambodians eat it, we eat it green, not bright. We do eat them bright too, but we eat them green because we love eating sour fruits with hot pepper sauce. So that's the reason why our family made mango salad, because it goes really well with rice and fish and meat. So today I'm going to show you how to make mango salad. When you learn how to make these, you will always have a life, a social life, because that's how I made so many friends along the way. They would invite me to dinner. I'd bring a mango salad, and my dish was the talk of the night. And I would get phone calls, and people would literally be at the supermarket and say, oh my gosh, I got the mango, what else do I get? So, if you want to have a social life like me and get invited to every single dinners and social outing, the mango salad is the dish to bring to your friend's house, baby shower, you name it. So, let's talk about what ingredients we need to make this very delicious dish. Here we have the hard green mango, and here's why it has to be hard and green. When you peel it, which I'll show you later, and slice it, if you get the really soft one, all the juices starts to flow, and that's not going to make a good mango salad. So, and you can't find this in any local supermarket. You have to go to an international supermarket. They sell these types of mangoes, so it has to be really hard, and make sure you pinch it, because if you feel a little softness to it, your mango salad is not going to turn out right, okay? So also, get you some basil, and also you need garlic and shallot. You know, you can get those anywhere, and cherry tomatoes, sugar, salt, and fish sauce. This is the main ingredient. You have to have this to have good mango salad. And make sure you get the one with the 3 crabs. That is the one my family used, the one I grew up with. Okay? Alright, let's start making some mango salad. So what you need is your mango, and then you need a peeler and a slicer. So you want to hold your mango this way and start from the top and start peeling. You want to make sure you get all the skin out, and just keep going again until the skin is completely removed. Alright, so now that it's completely, the skin is completely off, you shred it, and this is basically how you do it. And just keep going until you get all the way to the core, okay? There's a seed inside the mango, and when you get really close, you can tell. So you want to make sure that you stop it there, because you do not want to put the seed inside the salad, okay? So one mango serves about four people. It depends. In my household, the whole mango is for me. But anyway, so if you want, just make sure you do one mango, and it serves about 4 people. So you put it in a bowl after you shred it, and now we're going to add some other garnishments and vegetables. So you just want to grab your cherry tomatoes. I cut them in halves, by the way. It just adds a nice coloring to the bowl. And also, just grab the basil. Just make sure you chop it up really fine, and the shallots. And what I the most important thing here, a lot of Cambodians love chili peppers. But a lot of people don't like spicy food, so you can just sprinkle a couple of fresh chili peppers on here. All right, now it is time to make the sauce. Some people will call it salad dressing, but to us, this is our sauce. So what you want is to just take a little bit of sugar, just right at the tip of your spoon is fine, okay? And a little bit of salt, just a little bit, because the main ingredient here is the fish sauce. This is our main salad dressing, if you will. So I would just do, just fill your spoon up, okay? You put and you mix it in. Make sure you just kind of stir it to get the flavor in, okay? An even distribution of the sauce, if you will. And then you just pour it right into your bowl. And then just start mixing it like a salad. Here's what we've done with our setup. Get a little small ramekin and fill your mango up in there. And then I just pour it right into the leaf of a red cabbage. And the same with the rice, you just put it in this ramekin and then turn your ramekin over, and it just gives it a really nice shape for your plate. So you can eat the mango salad with any meat, really. So really, the main thing here is the mango salad that's going to make your food pop.